Hello, Chamber friends. This is Shannon Reed. I'm the Executive Director of Montgomery Area Chamber of Commerce, and I'm excited to bring a new educational opportunity to you over the next coming weeks here through our MACC University program. As I have been hearing from a lot of you in our membership and around this community, you've really been tasked with reaching your clients in the digital world like never before. And maybe you've heard about it in years past, but you put it off, and it's a bit overwhelming and you don't know where to begin. And so now it's the moment and you really have to dive in. And if you're like us, you've gone to maybe look at some YouTubes and immediately you're like, I don't even know where to begin. So you just shut down and put it off for another time. We're looking forward to presenting our Easy Start Guide to Digital Marketing and include some information to help you understand lead magnets, drip campaigns, automation, and remarketing. So our plan is to host one workshop a week. This could change as the needs arise, but we will be sending out those invitations for registration, and we'll send the links out once you've completed registration to be on the call. Of course, we're going to record all of these workshops and we will save those in our resources tab inside your member information center using Chamber Master. So we're excited to bring this great content to you and break down some of these really complicated ideas in the marketing world that seem out of reach. We're going to make those digestible for even if you're just a single solopreneur and you're doing this all by yourself. We know that you'll be able to do this, and we're looking forward to sharing this great insight with you. So you can see here on our screen, you want to reserve Thursdays at 10:22 a.m. We're going to kick off our workshops each Thursday beginning June 18th. So be sure to mark your calendar. We're going to start anticipating 4 workshops, and you can select to join or skip as your calendar allows. And of course, you'll always be able to go back and pick up another. But I hope that you will tune in and watch for the registration link in this email so that you can get involved. You know, here at the Chamber, we have 3 components to our mission. We want to be the trusted resource for advocacy, education, and engagement. And of course, you've seen the advocacy at work as we've been partnered with the Safe Small Business Coalition and the America's Recovery Fund. And of course, as we get back in person, we have great opportunities for engagement through meeting and networking with one another, and also getting your business out in front of our community through some of our events that are coming up. So this is the third component, the education aspect, where we can help you improve your business through the things you learn here at the Chamber. We look forward to serving you, and we can't wait to see you on our first Zoom meeting of our Digital Marketing Workshop series on June 18th. Be sure to sign up. Can't wait to see you.